School should not be starting in April because of the scorching heat, and as soon as our exam gets over, we need a vacation, which is necessary because studies come first, but then we also need a break and we need outdoor games. We need to go for example, football and different kind of activities.
Hi, I'm Abigail. I'm in standard 8. No, I do not want school to start in April, especially when the heat is out and it's burning heat. How do they expect us to come to school, especially in the summer? Yes, I do want holidays so I can spend time with my family and travel and experience places, and I can go for football practices, especially knowing I love football.
Hi, I'm Sridhar and I'm in standard 8. No, I do not want schools to start during April. Because of the scorching and burning heat, how does the school expect us to come to school? Holidays are compulsory for children and to do outdoor activities and play football and all. I love football and I want to focus on it. Yeah, we do need holidays in April as it was before. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Samuel and I'm in standard 6. I don't want school to start in April because I have eye allergy and my eyes hurt in summer and it kills my health. It refreshes my mind. It is necessary. Yes, we need a break.
I don't want classes in April because it is the month of summer and I don't want to come to school in this burning heat. I do want my holidays in April because I have studied the whole year and I want a break so that I can refresh my mind, and I want a break so that I can go for camps, especially for dance camps, because I love dancing and I would like to dance on stage. Thank you.
Hi, I am Francil from class 6 and I do not want to come to school in April because the weather is hot and I cannot study in a hot classroom. I need holidays to relax and engage in sports activities and come back to school relaxed and motivated in the month of June.
माझं नाव मिताली आहे. मी 7वी कक्षामध्ये शिकतो. नाही, मी खुश नाही आहे. ऊन खूप आहे. मला खेळायचं आहे. मला ब्रेक पाहिजे एक्झाम नंतर. जसं पहिला हॉलिडे होतं एप्रिलमध्ये तसं आता पण मला पाहिजे. थँक्यू.
Hi, I am Krishna. I am from St. Michael's School in 7th A. He is from Auxilium 6th A. He is from St. Michael's 6th A. We have problems. We have to go to village. There is problem in village. That's why. We children, we need holidays in summer.
It is not possible to go school during summer.
अप्रैल में बहुत गर्मी होती है. अप्रैल में बहुत गर्मी होती है. We need a break.
Hi, my name is Adi. I'm from Standard 9. I've heard of school reopening in April. I think it's really wrong due to the extreme heat in April. As we know, it's extremely hot in March as well, so you can just imagine what it will be in April. Many students get affected by this by various reasons like rashes, dehydration, and etc. After that, many of our extracurricular activities have been stopped because of exams coming near. And I've heard that whenever I go for football training, it eventually stops because, oh, I have exams, I need to study. My parents said no. But I think it's time that after these exams, we at least get to compensate for what we have lost. I think we should be able to do whatever we want in our holiday and shouldn't be so short lasting. That's all what I think, and I think it should be considered by the government as well. So
I do not want school in April because it is very hot and I have eye allergies. Once I reach home from school, I have to put my drops and it's very hot and my eyes start scratching for hours. Sometimes it does not stop also. And I do not want school in April because we need a break from our academic routine which we have done all over the year. We need at least 2 months of break including April. And the lights and the current goes at least twice a day and makes the class even more hot. With the students in the class, the heat becomes even more and we turn out to be restless.